Hello everyone. My name is Oluwafemi. I'm presenting to you how to launch ARP Spoofing attack using DSNF. ARP Spoofing occurs when malicious app packets are sent to a default gateway on a LAN. This is done to alter the IP MAC address appearing in the app table. The hacker tells the gateway that their MAC address should now be associated with the target victim's IP address. The converse also occurs with the target MAC becoming linked to the attacker's IP address. Then the default gateway catches the new IP MAC relationship and send out that information to the other devices on the network. This means that all subsequent communication will go to the attacker's machine first, rather than the intended test bin. So today I'm going to present the how to launch ARP Spoofing attack using DSNF. So we can see, let's launch it from here. DSNF. So that is the DSNF. We use it to launch ARP Spoofing. Click on it. So, and we have the Win server and we have the Debian client. They're both communicating to each other. So, first thing first, you check the ARP table -A to check the MAC address for the devices, and also RP on the ARP on the. So you can see the MAC address of the machines. The 192.168.0.6 is for the Kali machine, while 192.168.0.6, you can see the Kali machine is there too, 00275523.4. So we can capture this, and we capture this with our sniping tool because we are going to refer to it later. So this is the MAC address for this IP address for the, where's the IP address for the Kali machine. This is the IP address for the Kali, and you can see the MAC address here. So also this is the 192.168.0.8. This is MAC address for the Kali machine. You can see the MAC address 0800275523.4F. The same thing here. So for the MAC address of the window machine 192.168.0.101, this is 8, so it is different now, and that is what you want to know. 192.168.0.31, that is the Windows address, and this one 101 is for the Debian address. This is the 192.168.0.6 is for the Kali machine. So let's take this one aside because we are going to refer to it shortly. So then we move to the Kali machine again, which is the attacker's machine. So we are going to we have launched the DSNF. Let me show it again. The DSNF, that is the tool for spoofing. So first thing first, we type echo one slash pros slash slash net slash IPv4 slash IP underscore forwarding. So the second step is ARP spoof minus I at -0 interface minus T 192.168.0.31 192.168.0.101. So what this one is telling us is that when traffic is coming, when it's spoofing, in order for the Debian machine to get the traffic, you go through the Kali machine, and the Kali machine will have extracted the data, will have extracted the password, will have extracted the information from the packet. So, and we issue another line of command on another. Okay, like this one. Let me remove this. So we type the same thing ARP spoof -I Ethernet 0 -T 192.168.0.101 to 192.168.0.31. So this is the command to launch the attack. So we can see that nothing has changed now. So by the time we press enter, excuse me, app ARP. So sorry, it's supposed to be issued in the. Let's do it again. Sudo su. Okay, sudo. So this two should be at the root sudo. So now you can try it again. Sudo. You can see. So now the IP address we copied earlier, the MAC address that we copied earlier will change. You can note this address. You can note this address, MAC address, and for the MAC address for this 31, both of them. So let's press it again, ARP again, the same thing again. So you can see from there that all the IP address has been flooded. The MAC address for the Kali machine is now on 31, and the MAC address, you can see the same thing. The MAC address for the window machine, which is 31, that is the other machine, the MAC address has changed now to the MAC address of the Kali machine, and this is the MAC address of the Kali machine too. That shows that traffic is coming from the Kali and going to the Kali. You can see the same thing occurs there too. This is the Kali machine IP address, and this is the Kali machine MAC address. So we can see the Kali, the Debian machine MAC IP address and the MAC address. You can see that the MAC address has changed to the MAC address of the. That means traffic is going to the Kali. So the Kali is a Kali machine is serving as the man in the middle. So let's bring the what we snap so that we can compare. You can see now that this IP address for 031 was initially 08002722F1, and you can see here it has changed to IP address, the MAC address of, it has changed to the MAC address of the Kali. So you can see the MAC address here, it has changed now. The same thing here for the window machine. The MAC address of the window machine was initially this, that is for the window machine. The window machine, you know, is obtaining the IP address for the Debian machine. So the MAC address here was formerly like this, and the MAC address has changed now to the MAC address of the Debian machine, or the MAC address of the Kali machine. The same thing happened down here too. Both of them, both of the machine, they are getting their traffic because the MAC address is always showing the MAC address of the Kali machine. Thank you very much. We have successfully launched ARP spoofing attack on the network. So we're getting traffic on the virtual and Windows server, and it's getting traffic from the VM. Every traffic is going through the Kali machine, which is serving as the man in the middle. This is the kind of the attack that that is happening presently, but the kind of the attack presently is ARP spoofing. Thank you very much.